Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Robinhood account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Robinhood crypto statement? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Robinhood crypto statement anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your accountant or CPA is going to request your stock statement, but with Robinhood, your crypto statement is completely separate. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Robinhood account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need your Robinhood crypto statement, you're going to click on account here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click on reports and statement. Once you click there, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on crypto. Once you click there, you're going to see all of your monthly statements from your Robinhood crypto. So you can go ahead and just scroll down and then choose the statement you want to download. If you need more, just click on the green view more button to go back further in history. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find your Robinhood crypto statement, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.